In today's video, we're reviewing top 5 cordless vacuum cleaners that will make cleaning your home easier and save you time. With the convenience of being cordless and their powerful performance, these vacuums will completely change your cleaning routine. Make sure to watch the video until the end to discover which vacuum is best for you. Also, don't forget to share your favorite vacuum in the comments at the end of the video. Dyson V15 Detect Absolute. I'm reviewing Dyson's latest vacuum cleaner, which stands out as one of the best cordless vacuums available on the market. During our testing, it really shined on hard floors. Thanks to a built-in laser, it highlights microscopic dust that's invisible to the human eye. It's seriously impressive. What I loved most is the auto mode. The vacuum preserves its battery by automatically adjusting the suction power based on the floor type and amount of dust. Plus, there's an LCD screen that shows the remaining runtime, so you never have to worry about the battery dying in the middle of cleaning. The V15 Detect Absolute has a decent-sized dust canister, and, I should mention, it can be a bit noisy on full power. Overall, it's an amazing vacuum that offers top-notch performance and convenience. If you're in the market for a new vacuum, this one should definitely be on your radar. Tineco Pure One S11. I'm going to review the Tineco Pure One S11, a versatile vacuum that performs exceptionally well on both low-pile and mid-pile carpets. One of the standout features is the built-in iLoop smart sensor, which connects to an LED display. This display lights up red when debris or dust is detected and shifts to blue once it's been suctioned away. This feature ensures that you've thoroughly cleaned any mess. Another impressive aspect is the inclusion of HEPA filtration, a feature typically found in more expensive models. This vacuum boasts a 99.97% allergen removal rate, which is fantastic for anyone with allergies. The Tineco Pure One S11 is also lightweight, making it easy to maneuver. Overall, the Tineco Pure One S11 is a high-quality performer that you can trust to keep your carpeted floors pristine. If you're looking for a reliable and effective vacuum cleaner, this is definitely one to consider. Black + Decker Powerseries Extreme Max. This small but powerful vacuum works wonders in tight spaces. Its suction power is strong enough to pick up everything from crumbs to hair, even in hard-to-reach places. Plus, a fully charged battery lasts about 30 minutes on full power and even longer on low power mode. What I love most about the Black + Decker Powerseries Extreme Max is how easy it is to clean every corner of a room, even under furniture, thanks to its swivel head and ability to lie flat while maintaining the same suction power. The LED lights are a nice touch, making it easier to see in dark corners. Another feature I appreciate is how quiet it is, so you won't disturb anyone even when vacuuming early in the morning. Cleaning with this vacuum is really easy and enjoyable. If you're looking for a powerful and practical solution for small spaces, I definitely recommend the Black + Decker Powerseries Extreme Max. Dyson Gen 5 Detect Absolute. I'm reviewing the Dyson Gen 5 Detect, the most powerful cordless vacuum cleaner Dyson has ever made. This model continues Dyson's legacy with its impressive piezo sensor that detects dust and automatically adjusts the power based on the amount of dirt it encounters. In automatic mode, the vacuum seamlessly increases or decreases its power as needed. For those of you with hard floors, you'll love the additional fluffy optic head. This tool uses a green laser to highlight dust, making it super easy to see where you've cleaned and where you might have missed. It's a brilliant addition that really enhances your cleaning experience. If you're looking for top-notch performance and innovative features, the Dyson Gen 5 Detect is definitely worth considering. Shark Stratos Cordless Vacuum. I'm reviewing the Shark Stratos, a vacuum cleaner equipped with powerful suction and a dual brush roll design. The soft front brush roll captures fine particles and stops larger debris from spitting out, while the back brush roll with rigid bristles digs deep into carpeting to pull up dirt. One of the standout features of the Shark Stratos is its 3 cleaning modes, including Shark's Clean Sense IQ. This mode uses an infrared sensor to automatically adjust the power based on the amount of debris it's picking up. The battery life is impressive, lasting up to 60 minutes, although this can vary depending on whether you're cleaning carpets or hard floors. Plus, the LED display screen shows you exactly how much battery life you have left. If you're looking for a versatile and powerful vacuum, the Shark Stratos is definitely worth considering. If you liked this video reviewing the top 5 cordless vacuum cleaners, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Also, let me know in the comments which vacuum is your favorite or if there are any other products you'd like to see. See you next time.